English together.
Ordering coffee.
Welcome to Coffee Corner. What would you like?
I would like a latte, please.
Sure. What size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Perfect. Is it for here or to go?
To go, please.
Got it. Your medium hot latte is $4.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your latte will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Coffee Corner. What can I get for you?
I would like a medium hot mocha, please.
Sure. Is that for here or to go?
For here.
Would you like cream with that?
Yes, I would like cream, please.
Great. Your medium hot mocha is $5.
I will pay with card, please.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.